So, Carlos, what do you think about that?
It's amazing, guys. There's no credit utilization in business. That's something that you got to keep in mind. That only affects you. And this is why not only we want you to learn about personal credit, and this is what we have Brian here, because when you start your business, I mean, and that's something that we're gonna now segue into, is when you start your business, you will always be what's called a personal guarantor for your business. So yes, you're gonna start getting business credit, and little by little, there's certain things that you need to start doing methodically. You need to start putting together consistently, day by day, week by week. And if you do our process step by step, it should take you at least 90 days, the most, minimum 65, for you to start getting what we call corporate credit, meaning that your business can get business credit on their own. But you need to make sure that you also be responsible about your personal credit. Now, utilization. If, let's just say, for example, as Brock was saying, you have $100,000 in credit and you unresponsibly enough want to go and use $100,000 of that, that's 100% utilization. That will shock your personal credit score more than 100 points. Trust me, I'm telling you because of experience. I've done it in the past. So everything that I'm telling you, it is experience. So now, if you go to the business side, there's no such thing. You have $100,000 and you want to use it, but as long as you pay it on time, your business credit keeps going up little by little. So that is the trick, and that is why we want you to not only understand if you're going into the business side, if you're not here for business, then that's fine. Focus on your personal. But if you're going into the business section of this or portion of this, you want to start a business, concentrate not only creating or establishing your personal credit so like that you could leverage your business credit and then transfer everything to your business credit because it's going to help you tremendously. Not only you're going to get higher amounts, cheaper money at a higher price, at a lower price, but a higher amounts. So that's what we want you to understand. You want to add to that, Brian?
No, you did a great job. I mean, I would say that not only paying on time, but also if you want the higher business credit score, payday score, you need to pay earlier on your card as well, so you can make sure that you are positioning yourself later on down the line for even more financing on the business side.
Well, I didn't do well. What's the whiskey? So that's why I'm gonna say salute.
Salute.
Brian, are you clinking with us?
I am. Can you hear me?